Hi guys, thank you for joining me today. I've just come home, I've had a glass of water, just opened up my hair and just relaxed a bit, and now I'm really hungry for dinner and I thought of making chicken curry today. And I wanted to share my recipe with you just because it's such a favorite dish of me and my husband. We just love having chicken, like homemade chicken curry is our comfort food. So let me share with you my recipe. Alright, so here are the things that we need for our chicken curry. I have 2 tomatoes, half a red onion, 1 green chili, 2 cloves of garlic and half an inch of ginger. And we need this amount to make this much of chicken. So here I have 2 chicken thighs and 2 chicken legs. We would also be needing 2 tablespoons of oil and some dry spices. So here are the dry spices that we would be using in the chicken curry. I have some coriander powder, which is 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. I have 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. I have some dried fenugreek leaves, the green things, and then I have 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. So I have a wok on a medium-high flame and I will be adding 2 tablespoons of oil to this. Now when the oil heats up, we will add the cumin seeds to the oil and wait for the seeds to start crackling. And in the meantime, we will prepare a paste of onions, ginger, garlic and green chili. And the next step is to add our onion paste to the oil and mix it really well. I want to add one thing here, that my chicken was marinating overnight. How I marinate my chicken is that I use 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and garam masala powder and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and some salt. And now keep in mind that the quantity of your marinade will depend on the quantity of chicken that you're using. Now I have sauteed my onions for 2 to 3 minutes and you can see here that the onions have changed their color and they've turned pink. At this point I would add salt to the mixture and let it simmer for a while. At this point, when my onions have been cooking for some time, I would add chicken pieces to the mixture. And guys, this is what is different about this recipe, is that I really like cooking chicken with the onion juices as compared to cooking chicken in a tomato and onion mixture. I would really request you guys to try making chicken this way and see the difference yourself. It is a completely different taste. So here I'm mixing the chicken with the onion mixture and then I would cover it and cook it for 5 minutes. Now my chicken has been cooking for 5 minutes and you can see how it has changed color. Now it's more white. That shows that it's kind of done but not completely done. The other way that you can check if the chicken is kind of done or not is that you can pierce a knife into the chicken, and if the juices run clear, then that means that the chicken is kind of done, like I'm doing over here. I checked my chicken and the juices were clear, so I was like, yes, this is kind of done. So it's time to add the tomato paste to the mixture. After adding the tomato paste to the mixture, I would stir it well, make sure that all the pieces are covered with the tomato and onion mixture at this point. And then I would cover and cook it for 5 minutes until the tomatoes are kind of done. So my chicken has been cooking for another 5 minutes and you can see that the tomatoes have sweated a lot and you can see that the juices have been mixing with chicken juices. And at this point we will be adding dry spices to our tomato, onion and chicken mixture. So I'm adding coriander powder and garam masala to the mixture. We'll mix it well and let it cook for another 10 minutes. So my chicken has been cooking for almost 15 minutes at this point, and you can see how the oil has separated from the mixture. So I'm mixing my chicken here just to make sure that nothing sticks to the pan, and make sure you guys have a wide wok for this. It makes it easier to mix things around. Now I like my chicken to have some gravy in it, so I added half a cup of water to the chicken and I'm mixing it. After adding water, I would add dried fenugreek leaves to the mixture to give it some more flavor and spice. And lastly, I would add some freshly chopped coriander for garnishing. And our chicken curry is done. So the next time you're craving for some good Indian chicken curry, try this recipe at home and I'm sure you'll love it. Let me know your experience in the comment section below. I'm heading out to enjoy my dinner with this chicken and chapati. Thank you so much for watching my video and I'll see you in my next one.